Hello everybody and welcome to this new video. I am your host CrickGamer99 and today we are going to look at my happy birthday template project. So first I will just play through the project and let me go into full screen. So it basically is just going to say something and then write the occasion and then play this song. I don't know if you're able to hear it, but there is a happy birthday song there. And then let me just so then we will just go through the project. When start clicked, go to this position. Let me show you which position. This position. Then say, hi, do you know what the date today is? Today is the date and month. What's your name? You are the person's whose birthday, that person's name. And then today is your birthday. Let's write that down. Then glide up till about here. Then broadcast, write occasion. When you write occasion, that's the broadcast. It switches to chalkboard 2, which is basically the same thing with name's birthday. And so it looks like as the cat has written it. And then broadcast done with the occasion. And I received done with occasion. Say this, I have a surprise for you, but I'll play it in the party room. And then broadcast go to party room, and then play this. Switch the backdrop to party. Start the sound happy birthday, and stop all sounds after this wait, and then say happy birthday name. So this was the template. I have shared this project. If you want, you can use it. Please don't forget to give a like, a sub to the channel would be nice, and as always, thank you for watching.